Hi friends, welcome to my channel Power BI Skills. Through this channel, I'm going to share with you a lot of tips, tricks, and best practices we can use in Power BI in order to develop fabulous dashboards. In our today's video, we'll learn about creating hierarchies in Power BI and how to use those hierarchies in our dashboards. Let's first understand the term hierarchy. What is hierarchy? Hierarchy is a set of data which is categorized in a manner so that one level is a parent of another level of data. Here the value of parent level can be drilled down to the lower level. Let's understand with the help of examples. Here we have two examples. Example one is a date hierarchy where like parent level is year. It is drilled down to quarter, month and date. The other example is product level hierarchy, where parent level is food items. It will run down to drinks. Then we have further categories like soft drink or hard drink, and further drill down to the products like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and so on. Date hierarchy is automatically created by Power BI tool through its time intelligence functionalities, but other hierarchies must be created manually. We call those hierarchies like customized hierarchies. Now let's understand this further, like how to create these hierarchies in Power BI. But before we proceed further, I would request you to please like, share and subscribe this video if you believe that you have gained some knowledge through this video. This would definitely motivate me to create more such useful content for you. Now let's create the hierarchies in Power BI. So I have two examples here. Example one is showing the sales made by salesmen, and then we have a sales manager and sales heads. Other example is example of departmental stores where the name of the product sold is mentioned. Then we have a product category, and then we have a name of the stores where those products have been sold. So we'll see that how do we create a hierarchy and then how do we create a dashboard with the help of these examples. Let me first upload this data in Power BI. I will select Excel, select hierarchy, open, and select these files and load this data. Now this data is loaded. So we have example 1 and example 2. Let's first pick example 1. Now I have to create a hierarchy of salesman, sales manager and sales head, where sales head is the parent level. So I will select sales head, and from three dots I'll just click on it, and from the options I will select create hierarchy. Now you will see that hierarchy is already created. Now I will have to go to sales manager, which is the next level. Again, I'll select three dots and I would select add to hierarchy. And from add to hierarchy, I can see the sales head hierarchy name is appearing. I will click on sales head hierarchy. Now the sales manager has been added to the sales head hierarchy. Similarly, I will go to the salesman. Now salesman option, I will follow the same steps we did for sales manager. I'll click on three dots. I will select add to hierarchy and select sales head hierarchy. Now, if you see, my hierarchy is created. Under sales head, we have sales manager and salesman. Now let's create the dashboard with the help of this data. I will select the stacked column chart. In x-axis, I will add salesman hierarchy. In y-axis, I will add sales value. So you can see the dashboard of sales is appearing. Now let me add the data labels to this dashboard. So you can see we have two sales head, Harry and John, and Harry has made a sales of 33,000 and John has made the sale of 41,000. If you want to drill down to the sales manager level, I would just select drill down option. You can see under Harry, we have two sales manager, Deborah and Monica. Deborah has made a sales of 21,000. Monica has made a sales of 13,000. And under John, we have a sales manager, Tom, and Tom has made a sales of 41,000. Now let's drill it further down to the salesman level. If I select this, now this would drill it further down to salesman level. So under Deborah, we have salesmen like Chris, John, and Joe. Sorry, Chris and John. And under Monica, we have salesmen Joe and Sam. And under Tom, we have salesmen Julie and Kevin. And the sales they have done, it's appearing here. Now, if I have to further drill it up to the sales manager level, I will select drill up. It would show the sales manager level, and I would further move up to the sales head level by selecting it again. So I can move up to the sales head level. So this is uh, very important, and I think the best way of presenting the data by categorizing it in terms of sales head, sales manager, and salesmen. So let's take the other example as well. So we have selected uh, second tab for example 2. We'll follow the same process for creating a hierarchy. So we have a store, we have product category, and we have a product name of the products which are sold. So store would be the parent level. I would create the hierarchy at a parent level by selecting three dots, and I will select create hierarchy. Now I would select the product category, select on three dots, and add to hierarchy. I would select store hierarchy. Similarly, at a product level, I would do the same, add to hierarchy, store hierarchy. Now I have a hierarchy created, store, product category, and product sold. So see, this is the dashboard which is showing details of store A and store B. Store A made a sales of 19,700. Store B has made a sales of 24,100. If I drill it down to the next level, so this would show the categories as well. Store A made a sales of clothes worth 4,500, sales of electronics worth 8,400, sale of food items worth 6,800. Similarly, sold store B has sold clothes worth 10,400, then electronics worth 7,800, and food items worth 5,900. And now we can further drill it down to the exact product level as well. How many jackets, how many pants, how many shirts, how many cameras, LED TVs have been sold in different stores. And we can again drill it up to higher level as well. So this is how we have created hierarchy and use these hierarchies in our dashboard. So friends, see how easy it is to create hierarchies in Power BI and how to use those hierarchies in our dashboards. I hope you have learned this technique and you would be able to create hierarchies on your own and apply those hierarchies in your dashboards. Uh, Thank you so much, friends. I will talk to you soon in our next video. Thank you.